Hey there, folks. So this is Margaret Klein, eXp Realty, coming to you live from 1416 Sun Terrace. And before I jump in there, just wanted to give a quick shout out. I would appreciate it if y'all would subscribe and like my page. And stay tuned for all the amazing walkthroughs that I do all around Brevard County on there. And I also put some buyer and seller tips and also put some recipes for your new home on there. So tons of cool stuff to take a look at if y'all have time. Would love for you to jump in there and look at some of the cool stuff. Anyway, again, we are at 1416 Sun Terrace here in Titusville. This does have a carport, but it is a really nice carport, almost completely closed in. Nice little patio area. We do have a metal roof on this one. Nice front area, and looky over there. We are at the end of a dead-end road, so you do have a house across the street, but we do have a lot of privacy here. So we are going to jump right on in. We have some terrazzo floors in here, which are super nice. Not sure if you've ever had terrazzo floors or not, but they keep your electric bill at a really good place. So, nice size living room, nice bar area, kitchen area. And I will say this kitchen has been completely redone. So we have slow closed drawers, beautiful countertops. We've got the oven here, nice microwave, beautiful counters. Huge refrigerator. Check out this sink. This sink amazing. Nice dishwasher. Lots of cabinets. Nice pass through to our room out there. Got a little extra shelving in here. More shelving on this side. Stackable washer dryer. Gorgeous. And they do stay with the house. And of course we do have the door here if you want to block that area off. The AC was replaced recently here, and all the ductwork was done up in the attic, which is always a plus as well. We are going to save the backyard for last because it is my favorite spot. Got some great built-ins there. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. Nice wide hallway here. And nice sized bedrooms. Nice closet. Plenty of space. Went ahead and left this one with some furniture in it so you can see what it's going to look like. And closet. Cute little area here. Trying to keep myself out of these pictures because I know you're not here to see me. You're here to see the house. Nice deep closet, plenty of shelving. And to keep a bearing on everything, there is the front door. We are back to the living room, dining room area. And this outside room here was enclosed. We do have hurricane windows here. Nice big space. Of course, we do have the pass-through window. Windows all open and close out here. Great place to hang out. And if you have any kiddos you're going to watch outside, you can always open up those windows. And look what has been done in the backyard here. This is like the perfect spot. Huge shed. Nice little gated area around your air conditioning. Plenty of yard. Got a grill. We've got pavers along here. An amazing little deck area here. And we are saving that swim spa for last. We are. We've got more pavers here. This is all covered. We do have an additional shed right here. So plenty of storage space. Great place to put a grill and stuff over there. all kinds of fruit trees all the way around the outside, and super cute. So this swim spa is huge, and it is the upgraded model of a swim spa. It's got those jets that come out on the side back there that you can like literally swim in place and just swim and swim and swim, just as if you were in a big huge pool. So that is always a plus. Look at all this gorgeous backyard. They did such an amazing job. They were never planning on moving. They were doing all this for themselves and then ended up deciding they were moving. So look how huge this is. Like I said, you could do a ton of swimming in there because it's got those jets on the side. It does have an extra secure gate here that if you have kiddos or dogs, you don't want them to be able to get in. That thing has a lock on it. It is absolutely fabulous. We are on city water, city sewer. It does have a well for irrigation. As you can see, that is completely covered. And when I was here the other day and it wasn't covered, I was able to put my hand in there. It was so nice and warm. It was absolutely gorgeous. They hadn't even heated it yet. It was just warm because it's Florida. So you can heat that whole thing up and it'd be a nice heated, huge spa. Or you can just use it for some swimming without heating it because it is an awesome temperature already. So again, I am here at 1416 Sun Terrace in Titusville. If you would like to see this amazing home, you can call or text me 321-4807-662. We are listed at $275, which is amazing for having the privacy that you're going to get and that huge swim spa, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Said nobody on that side of you over there. The house way back yonder owes that land, so you will not be seeing anybody there. And again, Margaret Klein signing off here in Titusville, Florida. Feel free to call, text anytime, 321-4807-662. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, folks. Really appreciate you following me along in all of my tours and hints for new buyers and sellers. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.